this dinner will surely have her break up with me.
Honey, I have something special for you.
Oh, yay!
I hope you like it.
Yay, snails! I love snails. How did you know?
You ready for the second course?
Yeah. Yay, dry fish. I don't need these. You want some?
Vanessa, I have one more surprise for you.
What is it? Oh. Is it okay if I'm a little bit rude?
Yeah?
These are my favorite. Is it okay if I just eat them?
Sure.
You're not mad?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.